Hi. In this session, we are going to look at scaling using MinMaxScaler from Scikit-learn as part of the feature engineering. And we are also going to make use of the healthcare stroke dataset that is found at Kaggle. So to work around in Jupyter Notebook, the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have imported your libraries, that is the pandas, so that we're able to import our data set, and then we will make use of the Scikit-learn dot pre-processing, and then we import the MinMax module. So let's execute. And then we also execute to import our dataset in our kernel. As soon after importing, then you want to visualize how your dataset looks like. So to do that, we're going to make use of the dot head. And that is our dataset that we had. So what we would want to do is to do a scaling on the average glucose feature. And we could also do the same with the BMI feature, where we've got the numeric values, and these are not in the same range, so you would want to put them in the same range, that is normalizing them. And with the min-max scaling, it's going to typically fix the range between 0 and 1. And this is much more preferred by algorithms such as the neural networks. So let's get coding. What we need to do first is to initialize the scalar. So let's just create a variable scalar. And then we make use of MinMaxScaler that we have imported. Once we have initialized, the next thing that you want to do is to then target a particular columns from your dataset that you need to scale. So to do that, we are just going to say column scale as a variable that we create, and then we are going to pass through the array. And let's just copy that, bring it down, and we're also going to do that for another column, BMI. Copy that, bring it down. So we have defined our columns that we need to target to be for the process of scaling. The next thing that we now do is to scale the data. So to do that, what we're going to do is then we're going to call our data set, and then we are targeting the columns, and then we call our scalar that we have defined on top, and then we call the fit transform function. And now we need to pass through our data set with the columns that we need to be transformed. So that's it in terms of how you would want to scale your data. We execute the cell, and the next thing is to check whether the data has been scaled or not. So let's go ahead and view the data. Head. We execute the cell, and this is how it now looks like. So if you check, we now have values that are 0 point, and they are in the range of 0 point up to 1, as compared to the original data set where we had bigger values. So this has been compressed, and they are now in a fixed range where it's between 0 and 1. This is how you would want to normalize your features using min-max scaling. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe if you would want to see more videos from this channel that we're going to upload. And also remember to like and comment so that you are able also to review and check which modules, which particular videos that you like the most. Thank you.